Hey guys, in this video we're going to go over how to create a Mailchimp campaign. Now first, I want you to log into your account. Once you're logged in, click here on campaigns, okay? Here you'll see all your campaigns. Just come here at the top right and click on create, right? So first we'll go ahead and create an email. So we will have to put an internal email name. Basically, this is what will go to the customer's inboxes. And I'll go ahead and paste this in. All right, just click on a create email right here. Now on this page, we can go ahead and either create one from scratch, or you can take a basic layout or a fully designed template according to your needs. So I'll go ahead and click on fully designed template for this example right here. So we have different templates. You can come here and get basic layouts or fully designed ones. So these ones will educate and inform, okay? These are for announcing. For example, we have Easter going on right now as of this recording. So if you're watching on Easter, maybe this year or the next, happy Easter to you. So we'll go ahead and take this Easter week special. So click on apply. Let's say you're wishing your customers happy Easter, right? So we'll go ahead and do this one right here. And you can easily switch, right? You can switch from the desktop view to the mobile view and see what it would look like. All right, so we'll come back to desktop view. If you want to change the content, you can easily do that. For example, if I double click right here, I can change the text. Okay, I can even add an exclamation mark if I would like to do so. You can easily change the color. So if I highlight this, you can come here, click on text color, and easily change it to any color you want. For example, this one right here, you can do a lot of things. You can change the background, okay, colors, you can add images. The content background color right now is this one right here. You can easily go ahead and change it if you would like. For example, let's say you want to pick that one, right? You can go ahead and do that. If you want to undo, just come click on this arrow here at the top right. So let's be done with the content background. So we can close this for now. You can change anything here. Text, you can change the fonts, anything, right? You can link things. You can do padding, borders. So here we'll close the header section again. You can add different blocks. You can add buttons, images, anything you want to go ahead and do. You can add those right here. So if you want to add an image, you can easily come here and either upload one or browse through their images that they have available. Okay, so I'll just go ahead and close this again. We'll undo this. So you can optimize it however you like. You can change the styles. Okay, do everything you want to go ahead and do. Now this is the optimization section. You can go ahead and try. So if you want to add a link to your logo, you can do that. You can also make the images clickable. And once you're done, you can either send a test or you can just hit save and exit right here. So we now are able to see our campaign. So we're done with the to, we're done with the from, we're done with the content. Now you can add the subject. So let's say happy Easter. Okay, whatever you want to go ahead and do. So you can make this capital H and capital E. Of course, you can preview this as well. And then just come here and save this. You can, of course, generate as well. Okay, so we're done with that. Now we have send time. You can either schedule it. So let's say you want to send it on Easter. You can do that. And then you can toggle this one on. It will optimize based on when the audience is most likely to open. Come here and click on save. So there we go. So we are done with everything right here. You can go ahead and schedule it right here. Okay, or if you want, you can send a text email. So just come here, click on schedule, and let's confirm scheduling this email, and they will be sent this email, okay, at that specific time. And it's really that easy. And